Happy St. Patrick's Day. Good stuff. And for night, we're going to go with Slainte, St. James. It is from Murphy McNeil. It is a gourmand-based scent note. Kind of reminds me of oatmeal cookies. Now, if you were lucky enough to get in on this, then you know right away that this is another duck fat and tallow based soap that Murphy and McNeil has made. Why am I not wearing green? Because I'm green through and through. But I will be using my green Wild West Brushworks brush. This is one of the original ones. It's got the cactus coin on the inside of it. It's not even the new design, but this has got an awesome tuxedo in it. It is a tuxedo knot that's just awesome. I happen to love this as a synthetic knot. I also happen to have the Aftershave. This is an alcohol base, so when you order an alcohol base or any kind of aftershave splash with Murphy and McNeil, you have the options of choosing with alcohol or without, and to what level of degree menthol you want. This does not have any menthol in it at all. Just a little bit of alcohol, like rubbing alcohol to it, just enough to bring everything, I mean, just perfect. So if you haven't tried out their aftershaves, you need to get in on this. Now while we try to wait on my Try Not to Pee challenge faucet to bring up some hot water all the way up and around, I'm gonna go ahead and get everything set up. I got this little thing from another fellow member of TSM, or the Shave Market. This thing is really cool. Got a bowl lather tonight. Now it is a very soft soap. With mine, I just basically quickly bloom it. I take my finger and get some of this yummy goodness off of it. Just barely rub my fingers on it because there's always a nice little slurry. And I'm just going to rub it on my face. Almost has like a little bit of hint of orange or something to it too. Just a little touch of it. It's just awesome. The more I smell this, the more awesome it becomes. It just smelled like kind of like a warm sugar cookie when I first opened it up, with like brown sugar, oatmeal. But now it's got so much more scent to it, it's unbelievable. So you can see this is about how much moisture is still left. I'm going to take my brush, dab it out a little bit, and I'm just going to swirl it. With creams that are this soft, you do not have to press hard. I'm just going to pick some of it up just like this. Not pressing too hard at all. This is the trick with really soft soaps that you want to bloom. Okay. I'm just going to take my brush, start swirling it around. I almost get like a little bit of hint of, from way back here, from behind the camera, I'm almost smelling like a little bit of gin or a little bit of alcohol with the orange zest. Maybe that's what it is. It's just the orange zest smell to it. What do you think, guys? I'm just going to get some of this lather going. And if you haven't checked out Murphy and McNeil yet, I highly recommend them to you. A great shave company. Artisan soap. Definitely knows what he's doing. Made in Texas. Mr. Bill and Sarah Graham. Good people. It's always nice seeing the good guys come into this community. Really enjoy it. It's when they become dicks and over egotistical, it just bothers the hell out of me. Why? Let your product stand out for itself. Just such a cool dude. Bill's just such a cool dude. And I'm loading up my safety razor tonight with some PolSilver. I'm using my Tampa Shave Company Shorty Heavyweight tonight. I really love this. It is deceptive at how aggressive this blade is. One of the things I really love about this type of blade, you'd say, wow, this isn't a Merker, or it's not a something I got over at Maggard's. Something I really look for anymore these days are the vents. The soap just flows out of the backside of this like it's nobody's business, and this thing just gives one hell of an awesome shave. My sink has no stopper, so I haven't thought about getting like a bowl to sit down inside my sink. Way I'm not wasting so much water. So for my non-Irish friends, St. Patrick's Day is all about the apostle, I guess if you will, missionary that went to Ireland to basically free the Druids and all the backwards crazy people. That's why Catholicism is so big there. And I know people say sometimes, well, that he's always known for driving the snakes out of Ireland. It's metaphorical, of course. No, he really drove out real snakes. First pass done. Residual slickness on this is good. Smell on this stuff is great. Oh, not necessarily from shaving, by the way. I mowed the lawn for the first time today. It's about 60 degrees here in the Carolinas. Feels great out there. The sun, not a whole lot of wind. Of course, I went underneath one of my trees with my rider lawnmower and got a good whack, so yeah. Extreme lawn mowing! Oh. I could easily do 10 passes with the amount of soap the stuff makes too. I'm just so tempted just to start eating the soap. I mean, this stuff just smells awesome. I mean, like a really great drink even, maybe. I mean, between the orange / lemon zest, definitely a little bit of orange and lemon maybe put together with it, and the oatmeal, it's in like almost like a brown sugar kind of scent to it, like warm brown sugar. This is just, it's making me hungry. That's what it's doing. Somebody order me a pizza, would you? Something, shepherd's pie, anything? They say nothing. Sorry guys, no delivery in the shave den tonight. I tried, I really tried. Yeah, I mean, because I figure with still so much soap left over, we could have like a party in my shave den. But anyways, what's a party without some food and drinks, right? Ah, smells great. I did 2 passes, just great stuff. I could easily do a third, but I'm not going to bore you with that. I will just let you know that if you haven't checked out Murphy and McNeil shave soaps at all, you don't know what you're missing. Good stuff from good people, and I gotta tell you, this is, I only shave with about 3 or 4 brands on the regular. This is definitely one of those moving forward. So the post-shave feel of this stuff is just unbelievable. I mean, even without the aftershave, I mean, no irritation. I mean, obviously a lot has to do with your blades and your technique, but just a great, great soap overall. Highly recommend it. I have not been drinking early, I swear. Don't give me a hard time, sir. So again, this is an alcohol base. I purchased mine that way just because that's what I like. If you don't like alcohol, don't buy it. But it's just the right balance of alcohol for me. It's not overwhelming. You're not burning the shit out of your face. Oh my God, this smells so good. I just want to take a bath in it. I mean, all of Bill's soaps are that way. I mean, just, you want to wear them and smell this stuff all day. It's just great. And if the soap happens to be a little light, like I've seen a lot of people talk about Trinity that way, get the aftershave too, and you'll just have this amazing experience for your entire shave from start to finish. It's just awesome. But there you have it, guys and gals. You have Slainte St. James. Great shaves all around. Check out the products, and again, I'm not paid for anything here, so you're gonna believe me or the failed food delivery people that didn't bother showing up. Until I see you guys again, enjoy your shave. Remember, it's not just a shave, it's a transforming experience. Let it take you someplace, relax, enjoy, and I will see you again in the next one.